are, we're at Alder's Lake, mid France. It's cooking on a bank time, it's tea time. So what we're going to do? Well, today I'm going to do duck. This is a local area for duck, so we've got some collard, which is obviously duck. We've got some nice mushrooms, we've got some bits I've picked today. You know, you'll see a bit of me going around collecting. There's loads of things, there's blackberries local, there's pears, we've got mushrooms, we've got everything. So it's absolutely going to be a stunner this is. Steve's never had duck before, he's only had that Chinese crap. So we're going to educate him. Fresh duck on the bank, nice bit of champagne to go with it, and we'll chill out and hopefully wait for a bite. So here we go, let's get cooking. Okay, ingredients. Got some fresh duck. What I've done here, obviously I've got a duck breast, I've taken the skin off, I've shredded it, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lovely pieces there. We've got fresh mushrooms, which I've picked today from the forest. We've got carrots, which I've just skinned and just chopped up. Fresh blackberries, and there was loads and loads of them around this lake. I haven't picked the ones obviously by the lake, because obviously anglers would have pissed on them. So I've gone down the banks, found them in the woods and that, and picked them there. We've got French butter, which is President. This is the best one. It's really salty, so I don't need any salt with this ingredients. Also, we've got a jasper as well. It'd be nice. We've got also garlic here, some fresh garlic. We've got potatoes. These are red potatoes. They're local, really nice. And then local pears. I've actually gone over to the tree, shook it, and dropped them. Absolute fantastic. The size of the pears are like that. They're massive. Yesterday I got some chicken on the go, and I made some chicken stock, so that's absolutely perfect. That will to finish the dish off. And then obviously olive oil, which is my garlic, and it's just got some black peppers in. So here we go, let's get cooking. Okay, first thing, obviously the gas on. We'll just put it on low. Don't forget, in this weather it's 26 degrees still. The gas is going to burn hotter because obviously, you know, it's warmer and everything. Right, first bit of ingredients we're going to put in is the butter. And then obviously sprinkle with some nice flavoured olive oil. So we get this nice and warm. That's perfect. Right, okay, the first thing we're going to put in is the potatoes, because the potatoes take the longest. In they go, garlic goes in, and the carrots go in. Like I say, this is a nice simple dish. So keep that tossing. Oh, you can smell this, it's fantastic. Look at that. Now the carrots I want al dente, I want them crispy. And obviously the potatoes will be cooked through. That's it, so obviously we'll wait for them done for a minute. Just pop into the outskirts. Okay. The next ingredient is obviously the duck. Tell you what, Steve's going to be a lucky boy here. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now obviously duck's got a lot of fat, so it's going to put some nice flavour and juices into here. You can see it's already browning off. The thing about cooking like this, it's not hard at all, it's quite easy. And the object with these pans is just keep everything moving. So here we go, the meat has started off to be browning off lovely, look at that. Right, next ingredient is obviously the mushrooms, spread them around, and then the pears. Keep that moving nicely. Now what we're going to do is add a tiny bit of chicken stock into it. Look at that. As you see, chicken stock now is obviously mixed in with the meat and everything. It's making a nice brown sauce. Want the pears to pick up the flavour now. Okay, next ingredient, obviously last minute, is the blackberries. The reason we don't put them in first or in the middle is because they're full of juice. They're going to break down and put too much juice in there. What we want to do now is just get some heat into them to release some of the flavour, which obviously is just fantastic with this duck. So just keep everything moving around. This is smelling absolutely gorgeous. And just finish off a tiny bit of chicken stock, last minute. Now all these flavours will start mixing now. You can see the juice is coming out of the blackberries. They're staying whole, but we only want a tiny bit of the juice. So now it's time to plate up. So Steve's over his bivvy. He's been watching over, listening to what I've been doing, so hopefully he should be down at Horton Lake replicating this so all the locals can come down. Look at that. Eat your heart out, Frenchies, eh? Like I say, simple ingredients, just cooks nice and easy, there's nothing to it. But it's all about flavour. Local ingredients, like I say, it's not expensive at all. A nice bit of sauce, just to finish it. So here we have it, duck on the bank. Alder style. So let's take it over to Steve, see what he thinks. There you go, Steve, tea.
Cheers, fella.
You see me cooking it, you've seen how easy it is, you've seen the ingredients, so tuck in and see what you think, mate. It's better than them bloody pot noodles you usually eat, isn't it? First time duck, what do you think?
Not bad. Don't really like duck before, so I like it now though. Excellent.
So there you have, Steve. You've got a cracking meal on the bank. Lucky git. I haven't even got one of those. So I'm gonna go and make my tea now. Nice bottle of champagne for you. We deserve it. So there you go. Nice bottle of champagne, mate. Get in, tuck in, air, and I'll go and make my tea. So there you have, cooking on the bank, done, simple.